Okay, this is a 1988 Lakewood 20-inch box fan model 223M. I got this fan from Tori the Fan Man. It came in the mail yesterday. Love it a whole lot. Prior to this video, actually, I just turned it off and brought it downstairs. It ran for about 16 hours in my living room. I like using it. It's got a nice quiet low to it. I happen to notice something interesting about this fan. It actually has a slightly smaller amperage motor than the 90s Macmillan motor Lakewoods do. This fan, on the tag anyway, says 1.7 amps on the motor, whereas my other ones say 2.1 amps to match the frame on the motor. This one also says 2.1 amps on the bottom. I'm just going to assume that the motor tag's wrong, because on the K223s and stuff, they say 2.4 on the motor. Then when I amp test them, they actually do draw 2.7 like it says on the frame. So maybe it is the same as the others, I'm not sure. This fan runs really good. It looks a lot better now that it's cleaned up. It sits a lot straighter now. I did a lot of straightening to it. It was kind of bent. The motor mounts were sticking out. But I took care of all that. I shoved those back into their place and stood on it and got the bottom straightened out the best I could. At some point I'll have to find better grills for this thing, because I would like it to look really good, of course, because it's my only brown Lakewood box fan. But that'll come later on. For now the grills are just fine. It'll live. I did notice something. The back grill has fewer vents than the front grill does. Or more vents, rather. Like, the back grill, every vent width is only like this wide, and it's got more, like, I guess you could call it vent bars than the front does. Like, the vents are closer together. I found that kind of strange. You know what, I'll just show you. See, the front grill is like this, then you flip it around at the back. And you can see, the back grill vents are closer together, and there's more of them. Not sure what's up with that, but whatever. It still sits a little bit at an awkward angle, but it's nothing like it was before. Now it actually sits a tiny bit back, which is not doing too good. It did make it fall over a couple times on the carpet last night when we bumped it. I'll find some feet for it eventually. Either that or I'll straighten it out a little bit better. I'm not done with it yet. Trust me, I'm not done with it. If I find a color that matches it very closely, I'm going to give it a paint job too, because it's got quite a bit of surface rust on the inside. But for now, it's just fine. I like using it. Runs real good. And that's what I'm going to do with it. It's not going to be one of the ones that sits around. It's definitely going to be seeing its fair share of use, that's for sure. Anyway, that's it for this video. So, as usual, thank you for watching. And I hope you enjoyed. Thanks a lot for the fan, Tori.